Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from All Crime Network, and the title of the video is "These Cops Knew He Was Hiding Something." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here, all right?
What's your name?
My name is Woody Harris. I just got off of work. I was going to get something to drink. I didn't know if y'all was pulling me up right now.
You're good. So your plates are expired, okay?
Oh,
Do you have an ID on you? Okay. Where is your ID?
Yeah, I'm on probation.
No worries. That's not your ID.
You're okay. Don't be nervous. We're not.
I am.
I know.
It's just, you know how it is with the police acting right now.
You're all right.
Appreciate you. The vehicle registered to you, Mr.
Yeah,
Harris?
this vehicle's in my name.
Cool.
Still working, so.
All right. Yeah. We just put the because you had expired plates. And you're going decently fast, and we're like, oh shit! Now he's got expired plates.
Right. No, y'all just doing your job for sure.
You're all right.
I'm on probation, so I'm nervous and shit.
No,
and
you're
I ain't
okay.
supposed to have no police contact, or I'll be on longer.
So what are you on probation for?
I got caught with what was it? Improper. The gun was in my name, but I didn't have my CCW. Improper and blah blah blah. And I just was gonna get my CCW. So it just kind of hindered me, and I'm trying to get through all that right now so I can get it cleared and get everything. Because, like, you can see I got my pendant on.
Yeah,
my cousin died this year.
What's his name?
Ronald Turner. They call him Ron down in the street. He died, like, in the Will bits or, like, the Rosemary. The worst neighborhood, but you probably remember seeing his
I
face.
do.
Yeah, he was on his way to jail and stuff, too, and then the Jalen Walker stuff hindered him from turning himself in, and then he eventually, the streets caught up with him over there.
So you're going through all that stuff. It sounds like it's been a rough little bit for you.
That's why when I sent the police, I'm like, I don't need anything. I just got off of work.
You're just trying to get on with your life right now.
I was finna go home, and then I wanted something to drink, and then nothing is open but this gas station.
I'm aware, trust me.
So like, and then, you feel me? That's
Where do you live at?
I live right on the corner on my 1100 Edison, literally over there by Save a Lot and stuff.
Yeah.
So if you seen, I was coming from that way.
Yep.
But like, it's just, you don't want to see the police at night, really. Like,
I understand what you're saying. So hopefully this will be just a quick one and done, okay? So, no. Other than that, you having a good night? Where are you coming from work?
North Main Street. So I rode all the way down Main Street, turned up Howard, came along the side of the highway.
Where do you work at?
I work at factory.
Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's 12-hour shifts, but
that's a long shift.
I need the money right now. I'm a carpenter too. I work on houses and stuff.
That's a good job.
That's a side job right now. Yeah, it's a good.
She's doing a good job trying to keep him, keep him talking and stuff and keep him engaged while they're running his information. But he's definitely kind of shady, you know what I'm saying? Or not shady, but like, I don't know, he give me like fidgety vibes, or like definitely nervous, stuff like that. So his movements and everything is just like, something's just a little bit off here.
You
ever thought about getting into like a union or something like that?
I do want to, but the stuff, the gun case and everything I just got, but I've been working on office since I was 19. I'm 25 now, so I'm a good bit in.
You're 25?
Yeah.
He's a baby. You still have time.
I'm trying to get my credit up so I can get a duplex and model them and flip them and blah blah blah. You know how that goes. Get one house, take the equity out, another one, next thing you know, you own a couple houses.
It takes a lot.
No, that's why.
To get started.
Yeah, that's why I don't got one yet, because I'm by myself, and it's you're trying to have nobody.
Mr. Harris, your plate's been expired a little bit, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, if you got anything illegal in the vehicle, man? No guns, knives?
No, I'm going straight home from work. I got my video game in here.
Okay, listen.
You're okay, you don't have to open it.
Anything over 30 days, technically in the state of Ohio, we're supposed to tow. Okay, it's been expired about 5 months. So you don't got nothing in the car, right? You might have to take a look, we'll get you on your way. Cool? Alright, my partner's gonna get you out, how we get everybody out, and then as long as you're cool, man, we'll get you on your way.
Sec. I'm gonna get you out the same way I get everybody out. So go ahead, put your hands behind your head, and I'll guide you on out with me, okay?
Storage keys up on the dash.
Hold on. You can throw it. I got you. Oh, you're hooked in. I got you. There you go. Put your hands behind your head so I can grab them. Alright, go ahead and get out and then face the opposite way from me, okay? Perfect. I'm just gonna pat you down. What? Are those lighters? Okay.
You're good, no worries.
Alright, you're good to go. You can come back with me, okay? Appreciate you being so cool. No.
You know what's one thing I never noticed, right? If a man, if a male officer has to pat down a female officer, they gotta use their back hand, right? So they, you know, around the breast area and, you know, down the seams or whatever. But does a female have to use the back of her hand for patting down a male? Right? Because they got the same body parts. Well, besides, like, you know, the crotch area, whatever. But chest is a chest, you know what I'm saying? It's just that girls, you know, they're out a little bit more, whatever. But what if you got a guy, you know what I'm saying? And they chest may be out or whatever, right? That's pretty interesting, though. I always wondered, you know, do girls have to use the back of their hand when patting down a male, just like men have to use the back of their hand for patting down a female? Because she just used her regular palm and was like a regular, like how a guy would pat down a guy, you know?
So, no, you've been honest as hell with us, and I appreciate that. So, no, that'll go in the notes. I highly doubt your probation officer will even notice any of this even. So, who's your probation officer?
Clark.
You like him? Or her?
Him, it's a dude, kinda. I don't know, I thought he was gay, kinda, but he just, you know, some of them that get a little bit talk too much.
So he's a talker? Does he keep up on you, or is he one of those?
No, right now I gotta take, like, it's a lot going on with the probation. Like, hopefully I get off and do it all over with.
How much longer you got?
I'm halfway there. They said in 2 months I'll be able to try to get early release.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You're close.
Oh, that girl look down. I don't know what she is.
Well, you got any views?
See, my cousin died, so it's kind of like, you know, I don't.
You get nervous?
Yeah, and then I can't be around this side of town. Really, I'm not supposed to be over here.
Yeah. Okay. Well, they won't try shooting money out of the evidence.
You good, boss?
What were you gonna go get? A drink?
I was gonna get some drinks, so I ain't got nothing.
What were you gonna get?
2 liter. I don't got nothing to drink at home. I was gonna get a 2 liter and, you know, go home for the night.
2 liter of anything good?
Some Sunkist or something. It's a drive-thru right around the corner, but
There is.
it's so crazy. The people who hurt my cousin, they own it. So you feel me? I can't.
Tasties, is that what it's called?
No, not Tasties. The drive-thru. The 230.
Okay. That one can be a little janky sometimes too, so I don't blame you. I was like, she's on FaceTime with someone anyway. You gotta work tomorrow?
Yes.
What time?
8 o'clock. I got 2 jobs.
2.
Well, you ain't making it today, my boy. Nah, you ain't gonna make it to work tomorrow. Yeah, that's gonna be a wrap. There's gonna be a wrap on that. You know what I'm saying? Sure, you might as well call the PO right now.
Put your hands on your head, man. Turn around.
Damn, that was quick.
Good job, Luca.
Cut that out of his hand.
Okay, you can search.
Alright. Go ahead, spread your feet.
What you think? Gun or drugs? What do you think? I think maybe gun. I think I'll go with that. because that's what his crime was prior. And with the whole thing of his killing and the cousin and stuff, like, I think gun.
For me, okay?
What I tell you. Listen, I don't even watch these. I watch these in real time with you. But something just told me because of his priors and the whole situation looked like he got little problems in the streets and all that. He probably got it for protection. You going back to jail, my boy, so you can forget about that job tomorrow.
Anything other than weed? They pay you in cash? Damn.
No, they don't pay in cash.
Oh, you.
The one thing I never understood, right? A lot of officers, when they do their search, right? They don't have on gloves. A lot of officers are like that. Like, some do, you know, but when I feel like when you dig it in the pockets and stuff like that, like, put on some gloves, because you got there's cut safety gloves, or, you know, something to, because you don't know what these guys have in your pockets. Because I know when I was in corrections, I always made sure, like, you know, before I pat somebody down and all that stuff, like, you know, maybe I might do the pat down without the gloves, but like digging in the pockets and stuff, nah, you want to have some gloves on, man.
Matched it. Okay. With as much as we pulled out. Yeah. I didn't miss anything, did I? Yeah, because if I did, and they find it when you go through the scanner, it's an automatic felony. Well, felony adds to it. So, you good? Okay, come with me. Your phone in the car?
Yeah, I might need that.
Yeah, we'll probably get it for you.
I don't got nobody.
Your gun's been on in there.
I have a firearm run break. Serial number is Zebra Akron 0322, and it is a 380 for the caliber.
probation.
Okay, can you let me finish real quick? So I get that. I 100% understand that. So, with the new gun laws, okay? The new gun laws say that you are required to tell us if we ask you if there's a firearm in the car.
Right. What if I didn't know it was in the
Okay,
car?
well, that's what court's for, all right? We're charging you with a misdemeanor, failing to notify us that there was a gun in the car, okay? And we have to charge you with the weed, okay? We are going to give you a summons tonight so you can get to work in the morning. Does that sound fair?
That's what they did last time.
So listen, if you don't go to this, they're going to violate your probation, and they're also going to come issue a warrant. We're going to give you a court date. You got to go.
Either way, I'm going to be fucked because I'm on probation.
No.
So.
It's a misdemeanor, man. You figured it out. You've been cooperative with us, so we're not going to tow your car, and we're not going to take you to jail tonight.
I appreciate that.
All right, man?
Yeah.
So give us a second to work on some paperwork. We'll get you out of here. Cool?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So the gun is clean. Gun clean, but they're going to charge him with the... But misdemeanor, nah, you know, if it's PO chill, like he not going to really, he'll be good. They really did him a solid though, doing the summons, and so he could go to work tomorrow. Damn, my voice just cracked, man. It's late.
I need a sight. For expired plates. Just need a couple signatures from you, boss. That's all. So listen, this is your site for your expired plates, okay? We need a signature on this X here. I just need 2 signatures on this X's. It's just for the, like I said, the misdemeanor for failure to disclose us about the firearm and the weed.
So what? That's a felony.
Misdemeanor.
Both of them?
Yep.
I knew because the laws changed. If the law was how it is now, I wouldn't even have a CCW charge that I got.
If the laws were like before, you would have had 2 felonies and you'd been going to jail.
Right.
So now at least it's a misdemeanor, you know what I mean? Here's a pen, boss. You're fair. 3 signatures. 1.
Bro, why he even talking, bro? Just sign the paper and get it going, bro. Like, you want to get out of this situation as soon as possible. Bro, it's 2 in the morning, 2:21 in the morning. Like, what are you even doing out like this? Like, go home, bro. And you driving with expired plates for 5 months? Come on, you hot. You brought all of this upon yourself.
On this X, across that line. Two signatures here, one here, one here. Your court for that,
On Thursday.
Yep,
told
the
her
5th, 1 p.m. for everything.
Told her I go see my probation officer on Thursday, so that's great.
That'll work, man. Hey, let me see this pen. This copy's yours. We put all your stuff in your hat here.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah,
but, like, I'm in the room regardless, so I know where I live at. I know what's going on. Like I just said, my cousin just died, and my aunt's car just got shot up last week after a dinner, and you know I gotta protect myself.
I got you. It is what it is. But listen, from this new law, man, okay? If you would have told us you had the gun, there wouldn't have been a single charge.
Last time I told the cops I had a gun.
Was that before the laws changed?
Yes, and I got in trouble.
They're changed now.
They lied to me and said I wouldn't be in trouble.
Oh, okay.
I'm on probation right now from a gun that was in my name.
I got you. I just want to, you know what I mean, for the future. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, for sure, but I'll never be able to get my CCW and straight.
You don't have to. The new laws, they don't exist.
Open carry?
No, it
Right.
it falls under what's called constitutional carry. Just do me a favor, Google it.
Yeah.
Yep, constitutional carry, man. We just passed it a couple months ago.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.